Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been MIA for a while. I'm so sorry about that. Work has been crazy, but things are slowly starting to get to a somewhat normal pace where I can handle both work life and being able to do my personal life and YouTube and all of that. So I'm back. So I thought for my first video back, I would do a get ready with me, nothing fancy. I am actually going to be doing some fall decorating later. So I don't need glam, I really just need some makeup on. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna clip my hair back so that way it's out of my face. So, let's go ahead and get started. Of course, my face is already clean. I have some products that are new, some products that are die-hard trues. I've been trying this Van Hydrating Emulsion with organic Inca Oil. But basically it came in my Ipsy box last month and I liked the way it felt, and so I've been trying it to see if there's any difference in my skin while using it, to see if it's something I'd want to add. I haven't reacted to it. I've used it 4 or 5 days now, so that is good, and I like the way my face feels and I like the way my makeup goes on, but I want to know if it's going to make any difference in wrinkles, because it says it's supposed to, what is its claims? It's supposed to nourish, hydrate for a smoother appearing complexion. So we will see. I never heard of this brand. If you had, let me know down below if you've heard of it and if you like it or not. So we'll get that all over there. Alright, so have your guys' lives gotten back to normal? Are they still crazy? What's going on? Not that my life is normal by any means. It's just not as crazy as it's been, where like I was working 16-hour days. I'm at least getting to a more normal of, 12 hours a day like I used to do. But I'm going to be using this beauty blend. No, it's not a beauty blender. I lied. It's a beauty bakery poof, and I've been using them and I've been liking them. They came in a mystery box. I think I did an opening on my Instagram. If you don't follow me over there, I'm Life with Meagan and Lynn. I'd love for y'all to be over there with me. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, and I have used the crap out of this stuff. I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the way my makeup looks on it, and I've been going on in. I changed the way I put it on. Sometimes I dip my fingers in there and like warm it together. I feel like this does the same thing. I love it, and I love the way it makes it look, so I use it. I've been decorating for fall. I'm curious, would you guys like to see fall stuff, like fall decorating, house stuff on this channel too? I've started putting it on my Instagram and been getting some good feedback from that. So I wonder if maybe I should do that on here. So it'd be like makeup, home, all of that as well. I don't know, let me know. I've also been thinking about a lot of things. It's so easy to think and not get it done. But I thought about maybe doing a day in my life video, like a vlog. I've never done a vlog before, but I thought maybe. Now I've been using this foundation for months now, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Nude Ivory because I am see-through. But I like it. It has a little paddle on it. It's very affordable. Stays on my face. Looks like a warrior real quick. But I love it. It's easy. So I don't know if I told you guys. Did I tell you guys that I was doing laser hair removal? I think I did, because that's why I'm not tanning over the summer, and now it's in fall and I don't tan in the fall anyway. But it is going really well, and it's painful. Like, people that tell you it's not painful, they're lying. They're just lying to you. Now there's spots that aren't as bad as others, but like I'm doing my legs, top and bottom, my bikini area, my tummy, and my underarms. The underarms I can handle because it's like super quick. You get it in there and it's done. So it's like real quick pain. The legs, oh my gosh, especially around like the ankles, the back of my thighs. But I went from shaving, it's probably more TMI, but I went from shaving like almost on a daily basis or needing to shave on a daily basis, to where I can only shave like once or twice a week and it's very manageable, and I've never ever had that. So, but I've been happy with it. So you've been thinking about laser hair removal? Do it. And it's not as expensive as it used to be. Like, it used to be really horribly expensive. And I mean, it's not cheap by any means. It's not like you're going out and getting, you know, drugstore makeup. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and Satin Finish. I have been about used all of it. And I usually don't use all of my concealer because I'll hop to another one. So I've been pretty impressed with that. But I'm just gonna stick that all over the place today. But yeah, so I've been doing that. I'm seeing great results there. It's like my monthly torture. But I liked it so far. So I've got that going on. Work's going on. School has started back, so I'm teaching at the university because I do that on as well as my other job. Been fall decoring. I've pretty much been redoing my whole house. Like, I've redone the living room, the kitchen, working on the guest bathroom, and then I'm going to start working probably on my master bath. Will probably be where I go next. It's just not like conducive to getting ready. It's just, you have to make a big mess to get ready, and I just don't want to have to do that every day. I also got this in my Etsy bag, and I really like it. It's from the brand Feel, and it's a vitamin E balm. I get chapped lips so easy, and I just like the way this feels. I put it on before my makeup. I put it on at night. It feels nice. That says it has castor seed oil and sunflower wax. So I'm good with that. Alright, so let's get some flour going. Here's another item I got from the Beauty Bakery mystery box, like the one. I've done 2 of them now, and they're really worth it. But it's the flour powder. I like it pretty well. My brushes have gone out of control. Because I get so many in my Ipsy, and I'm not complaining because I love getting brushes in Ipsy, but I need to go through my brushes. Because I think I'm going to have a garage sale. Because I have all of that decor to get rid of that I redesigned. Plus I've got, ooh, I bought a new Dyson vacuum cleaner. I'm so excited about that. Like, I know I'm old now because I like vacuum cleaners. Like, really? That's like, I really got really excited about it. Did all kinds of research. It's got hair, so I got a Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner. I love it. Been using it all week. And so I gotta sell. I'm gonna get rid of the old one. I've got a bunch of stuff to get rid of. So I'll probably need to put some. I'll probably put some brushes. I'll clean them and put them in the garage sale as well. And let's move into my face. Here I'm going to use the Cheek Stars Benefit palette. I am so mad at myself. I dug on accident into my cookie highlighter with my Benefit brow. I was using the mirror and I dug into it with my eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, but my, what is this? This pencil here. My eyebrow pencil, and I mean, man. Because it was all pretty. Not pretty anymore. Alright, I'm going to go with Dallas on my forehead. Give me some color because I have 0. Blend that in. I've really been loving this. I was, you know, at first I was skeptical about buying it because it was pretty pricey, but I've gotten a lot of use, like daily, and I could just take this whenever I can start traveling again, for work and just for my side jobs. This would be great to travel with because I can just simply pack it and I'll have blush, bronzer, highlight all there in one. You can't beat that. I'm going to use Georgia as my blush for today. I just like the color it gives me. And the funny thing is, I thought I'd use the Hoola. I've not touched the Hoola in there because I didn't realize how much I liked the other colors, and I just hadn't reached out because I guess I'll be honest, like I watched YouTubers and they used Hoola, so I used Hoola. And then this, I ended up loving Dallas. So still love Hoola, but not as much as I love Dallas. And I just gives me some good color. Let's get some highlight. I'm gonna use Cookie right on my cheekbone, on my nose. Oh, I didn't even put any blush on my chin or nose. I like to put that there so you don't still look like you have rosy cheeks. And it kind of matches all the way around. And, see, I need to do some more blending on that forehead there. I got this new, look, I haven't even used it, it's still a thing. Look how pretty. I love these. If you've been getting the Ipsy boxes, these complex culture brushes are, I mean, they're just, I love them. Like, they're ones I would buy. I mean, I've gotten almost a whole collection through my Ipsy by being able to pick it each month, that type of thing, but I love it. Just trying to blend in. I feel like I got a little heavy on this side with my bronzer. And let's do eyebrows, and we will be done. We will be done, y'all. Well, I'll just use this. Be careful with it and not poke holes in it. I need some lips, too. I think I'll do lips today. I think I will. I've switched eyelashes. The same girl does my eyelashes, but now I've been doing hybrid lashes instead of just my basic lashes. And this, I'm ready for, like, this is, I go, let's see, Monday I go for a refill, and they look great. This side, I don't know why it doesn't look as good, but probably because I was rough with it. But I like that. And it was like $10 more for the hybrid. So, I thought the looks look much, much better. And I'm still getting my eyebrows tinted and waxed. But my girl never came back from leave. Like, you know, everybody got put on leave or furloughed. Yeah, she never came back. She's nervous, and I understand that. But I don't like the girl that replaced her. I don't know. It's awkward talking to her. So I'm almost tempted to just find me a new one just because I liked the lady I had, and the new one, I mean, she's not mean to me. It's just very, I don't know what's so awkward, but it is. I'm just gonna brush through my eyelashes with an old Benefit brow. And I've noticed with these hybrids, they don't like fall into my eye as much, I guess because they're bigger. I appreciate that because you get one of these eyelashes in there, it's like pterodactyls. Alright, and I'm going to use another Ipsy product, Kiss and Smink, and it's in the color Marta's. But yeah, I'm just going to use it quickly just to bring some color to my lips. Alright, so that's it. I told you it would be real quick. I think maybe I'm at like 15 minutes, but I'll have to, you know, edit some stuff out because I fumble over myself. But I am so happy to be back. I missed being on camera. I missed YouTube. I missed y'all. I missed your comments. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, ring that bell. I'd love to have you on my social media accounts. I am Life with Meagan Lynn on Instagram and Life with Meagan on Twitter and Facebook. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all later. Bye.